This how to 1 minute will show you how to create a free website on GoDaddy. Follow this step-by-step guide to create a free website on GoDaddy account. Open godaddy.com and click on sign in. Click on create an account. Now you can create an account with your Facebook account using your Google account, or to create an account using your email, select this one. So I'm going to creating a new account using my Facebook. Once you've created a free account on GoDaddy, now go to the GoDaddy main page and here scroll down, and here you will get GoDaddy templates. Click on browse all templates and click on start for free. And I'm selecting sell with an online store. What kind of business do you have? I'm selecting a category. Now enter here your website name. And click on continue. And then you will jump into GoDaddy website builder. Here you can easily customize your website. Once your editing finish, click on publish. And as you can see, my site is public now, and my website URL is how-to-1minute.godaddysite.com. So basically this is free domain comes from GoDaddy. Now let's visit the site, and here we can see I've successfully created a free website on GoDaddy. So that's how you can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.